Hey guys, this is Courtney Treadway with Huffman, Nissan in Frankfort. Today I'm going to show you how to program your Homelink Universal Transceiver. Today we are in a 2017 Nissan Altima SL. Be sure you have your garage door opener with you so you can program it correctly. Looking at your rear view mirror, you have 3 different Homelink buttons. What you want to do first is hold your first and third Homelink button to clear out the system. It takes about 10 seconds. You want to wait until you see the red light flash. Once it flashes, it is clear. Then you want to take your transmitter, in this case we have a garage door opener. You want to pick whichever Homelink button you want to use and hold that button and your transceiver button at the same time. And you're going to hold it until the red light starts flashing quickly. And now your garage door opener is paired with your Homelink Universal Transceiver. Thank you for watching this video. Again, this is Courtney Treadway with Huffman, Nissan in Frankfort. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions.